Hey guys, how's it going? Not a good day, not a good weekend. I'm down an enormous amount of money right now. And, recently I've just been like, I don't know. You ever just feel like nothing you do matters? It's super depressing. It sucks not being around people all the time. I'm just not really feeling like myself. I've decided to make it a personal challenge of mine right now to make today a good day no matter what. I'm gonna make today amazing. I don't care what the heck I have to do. It's gonna happen. So we're gonna go on that adventure right now. So this is basically a ton of notes and random encouragement stuff people have sent to me over the last 4 or 5 years, and I've already read a couple and it's already made me feel better. So I'm gonna read a couple more. We'll see if that works. Steven, most likely to be 2 hours late to his own wedding because he was picking up a hitchhiker. I mean, I probably shouldn't show any that have names on them from people because I don't want to embarrass anyone or anything. Yo, oh my gosh. Some of these letters, man. All the feel. I'm sensing a weird trend where people tend to say that I'm like thoughtful and good at words to people and doing stuff. And I mean, maybe it's true, but definitely makes me realize that I need to do that more, because I feel like I'm more at my best when I'm doing that stuff. Hopefully I'll stop being so selfish thinking about healing my foot when I should just be like building relationships with other people. Man, this is reality check. Oh, I'm gonna stop filming before this gets emotional. What? Oh my goodness. These compliments, man. Like, you gotta be lying. Let people know when they have an impact on you, because it's really beneficial. With that being said, I just want to thank everyone that watches these videos and cares a little bit, because it's kind of cool. Let's get into the rest of today. I think I'm going to start out this good day by trying to set the mood well. So I'm going to sing random words and try to be a little bit positive about today. So now, I think I'm gonna do my foot exercises and eat some good breakfast. I'm gonna make a really good breakfast, so today's even better, because that's the way you gotta do. You gotta do what's necessary, and then I gotta figure out what the heck to do with the rest of the day in case it's worse. Okay, so you're looking for the swing, because there's usually a swing right here. For some reason. Why is the rope up there?
Somebody do that because it's, what you call that one? It's one word, turning how many times?
Do you think the wind blew the rope up there?
No, it's possible.
Possible.
See what I said? Somebody climbed up there.
What the heck? It's weird.
Yeah, also, you know this gutter? I put like that. This one is going that way.
Oh. What the heck?
What the heck? What are you doing? Why?
That was probably the wind.
Turned him?
Yeah.
But that one is not gonna be the wind.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know.
I think it could be the wind.
The wind will go that way, like that.
Yeah. There was a tornado the other day somewhere in Oregon. It's possible. So you think it's more likely that someone came into our yard, climbed the tree just to put the rope?
Put that rope there.
Hey Benji, how's it going? So get this, we had this giant like tree swing that comes off of our tree, right? My mom was like, what happened? The swing is all the way up in the branches. Asking me if I climbed the tree recently. And I went out there and I'm like, that's weird. It looks like it was like perfectly placed up there. And she's like, yeah, I think the neighbor came over, climbed the tree, put the swing up there so that no one would hang themselves on it. I was like, what? I know, that's what I said. And I was like, I think it's more likely that the wind just blew it up there. And then she was just laughing. She's like, no.
So someone wouldn't hang themselves up there?
That's what she said.
Can you imagine waking up to like a dead body?
On my tree? Oh my gosh, that would be horrible.
Yeah. Annie got her shots today. She still can have babies. I just need to spay her
Yeah.
soon.
You're gonna do it? You're gonna do it personally?
No. I'm gonna kill her.
Oh my god.
See you later.
Masalama. I tried to kidnap him, but it didn't work. And that's okay. But I'm going to the mall now. Look for the shoes. Hopefully it's not a super long line because it's Monday, it's cloudy, and people should be at work. And then I'm gonna go to the doctor. There was a long line, but it was actually worth it. Not only did I get these shoes for $50 off anywhere I could find them on the internet, you got a free item that was cheaper. So got a random shirt. Big fail from Steven is a woman's shirt. He didn't even tell me. The cashier. I'm at the podiatrist now, and I'm about to go in for my appointment. No. What are those? I got the cast for both feet because I need the insert for both, and I only paid the deposit today, which was $100, and I'll pay the rest when I pick it up. Which will be in 2 to 3 weeks, maybe 1. Who knows? So yeah, he basically said I gotta keep doing what I'm doing. No strenuous exercise. Dang it. I was hoping to get the inserts today. Start trying to jump on trampoline. It's a little ambitious, but they have to get made, so they won't come in for a little bit. He says they have an 80 to 90% success rate for making the condition go away, but even after that, I'm supposed to wear them forever. Fun stuff to make sure that the condition doesn't come back. I'm not supposed to walk around barefoot. Do I just not go swimming unless I'm wearing shoes? But he said that's totally fine. I just can't be walking around barefoot every single day. Pretty good news, I guess.
Annie, yip yip. Yip yip.
So cute. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, Annie.
Annie, you've already met me like 10 times.
Oh, excuse me, Annie.
Okay. So get this. Just grabbed a random free shirt. The guy did not say anything when I grabbed it.
Oh, Annie, oh my goodness.
But open it and tell me what's wrong with it.
It's a woman's shirt.
Yes. It's very much a woman's. There's no way it's gonna fit. So if you know any women that want a Vans t-shirt, I hard failed on that one. Oh, you're so cute, Annie. Look at me. Oh, no one's allowed to play on the playground.
I don't talk to me.
Annie hates kids.
Oh my goodness.
At the coffee shop, this baby screamed at Annie. Now it seems like Annie hates all children because of that traumatic experience. Okay, a little to the right. Dog in Indonesia, breed.
German Shepherds are called herder. And I just realized that's from the word herder. That's it.
So if you didn't hear Benji's life updates, but
That's it.
he's talking about a girl. Sold his car and he's gonna buy another one at some point before he goes to Minneapolis to live there forever. Maybe. You don't want the puppy to say hi to the, is that a duck? She's gonna kill it. Does Annie look like a killer to you?
Okay, you want to try?
No, well maybe.
Okay, we should.
How far are we gonna go? Go way over there.
Can we go? I need to pee.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. I've been told these are good parkour shoes. Time to test it out. I landed on one foot. Cool. Oh, that time I slipped. So that kind of hurt my ankle because I landed low on that one. So I did some stretches.
Why was it
This stupid hill is slanted.
stupid hill?
Try harder. It's the motto. Whew. Okay. That's better. I wonder what brand this truck is.
I don't know. 4-row. Focusing on your car instead of...
She's mad.
I'm sorry.
She's driving so quickly. Arousal. I mean carousel. We're gonna try some dog treats. Let me smell it. Okay, you first.
I don't wanna. You're gonna trick me.
Go.
Yeah. I don't like it.
Not bad. Kind of tastes like a stale power bar.
Mm-hmm. And why do you like this stuff?
Well, you know what they say to do when your feet are injured. Those mushrooms here.
I'm gonna do some pull. Ow, ow, ow.
You ready to learn a handstand?
Yes.
First step, try it.
Try it. Annie, can you please like stand right there?
Alright, go, go.
Oh my gosh, you're suffering so much. Oh my gosh.
Annie!
Oh my goodness.
Alright, you're good. She's distracted.
Annie, calm down. I can't do it.
Yeah, okay. It's a valid excuse. I'm home now and all the lights are off. Is the power out?
Yeah, it's been out for about 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock? Hey, why?
I don't know. I don't know nothing. I don't hear any.
It's not
Nothing. Did you see the people there? They have no light.
Power's officially out in the neighborhood, so I can't do anything digital oriented or anything like that. My phone's actually about to die soon too. I think I'm just going to write some encouraging letters to a few friends, because why not? And that's what I'll do with my time in this blackout now. But that's basically the end for today. And overall, things are looking up. I'll probably do a few more things before bed, but a lot of the stuff that I need to do involves electronics. So I don't exactly know how I'm going to spend the rest of the night, but thanks so much guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. I will see you next time.